National symbols are intrinsic to the Indian identity and heritage. Indians of all demographics and backgrounds across the world are really proud of these national symbols as they infuse a sense of pride and patriotism in every Indian's heart. Let's know about these national symbols. What is the national flag of India? It's Tiranga or the tricolor. The current design of tricolor national flag with Dharma Chakra in the middle was adopted by a Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. What is the national emblem of India? It's the state emblem which was adopted from Ashok Stamba or lion capital of Ashoka. What is the national anthem of India? It's our own Jana Gana Mana. The national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, was composed originally in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore and was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the national anthem of India on 24th January 1950. What is the national song of India? It's Bande Mataram. The song Bande Mataram was composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and it was a source of inspiration to people during the struggle for freedom. What is the national calendar of India? It's Saka calendar based on Saka era with Chaitra as its first month, and the year has 365 days. What is the national currency of India? It's Indian rupee. This new Indian rupee sign was adopted by Government of India in 2010. The symbol is an amalgam of Devanagari Ra and the Roman capital R with two parallel horizon stripes running at the top, representing the national flag and also the equals to sign. What is the national flower of India? It's the beautiful lotus. Lotus is a sacred flower and it occupies a unique position in art and mythology of ancient India. It has been an auspicious symbol of Indian culture. What is the national animal of India? It is the Bengal tiger. The combination of grace, strength, agility, and enormous power has earned the tiger its pride of place as the national animal of India. What is the national bird of India? The colorful and beautiful Indian peacock or Indian peafowl is the national bird of India. What is the national tree of India? It's the banyan tree or the Indian fig tree. Banyan tree branches root themselves like new trees over a large area. These roots then give rise to more trunks and branches. Because of this, this tree is considered immortal and is an integral part of myths and legends of India. What is the national river of India? Ganga or the Ganges is the national river of India. According to the Hindus, this is the most sacred river on earth. In fact, many rituals are performed on the bank of this river. What is the national fruit of India? It's the mango. Mango is a very juicy and tasty summer fruit, and in India there are hundreds of varieties of mangoes in different sizes, shapes, and colors are found. What is the national aquatic animal of India? The national aquatic animal of India is river dolphin or Ganges river dolphin. What is the national heritage animal of India? It's the elephant. India's Environment Ministry has declared the elephant as a national heritage animal in order to increase protective measures for the elephants, and this was declared in 2010. What is the national microbe of India? It's Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus was declared as the national microbe of India in 2013, and this helps in fermenting yogurt. Now that we have talked about national symbols, let's talk about some of the other national symbols which people consider but they are not really officially documented as national symbols of India. What is the national reptile of India? King cobra is the national reptile of India. This venomous snake is found in forests in India throughout Southeast Asia. It has its cultural significance as Hindus worship this reptile. What is the national vegetable of India? National vegetable of India is pumpkin. It's a very common vegetable. What is the national sport of India? It is field hockey. It's not officially declared, but considering the dominance of India in Olympics in hockey, this is called as the national sports of India. What is the national food of India? It's khichdi. It's a mix of rice, dal, and vegetable cooked together. What is the national airlines of India? It is Air India. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel and wait for the next video in this same series. Thank you. See you soon.